Have you ever noticed how life feels like a mix of chaos and order? One day everything seems perfectly organized, and the next, something unexpected turns it all upside down. But this isn't just true for our daily lives. The entire universe is a constant dance between these two forces, chaos and order. From the movement of stars in the sky to the smallest decisions we make every day, randomness shapes everything around us. But how does it work? Is there a reason behind this apparent mess? Or are we living in a world where chance is the true architect of it all? Today we're going to explore how science explains the role of chaos, how philosophy confronts the lack of control, and most importantly, how we can find meaning amidst the unpredictability. From the Big Bang to the choices that change our lives, get ready to understand how the universe and we navigate between disorder and harmony. In the end, you might see chaos in a completely different way. Not as an enemy, but as an essential part of creation and evolution. Are you ready for this journey? When we look up at the night sky, everything seems calm and orderly. But in reality, the universe was born from an event of unimaginable chaos, the Big Bang. Around 13.8 billion years ago, all matter and energy in the cosmos were hurled into existence in a violent, uncontrollable explosion. It was a moment of pure disorder, with particles colliding and scattering in every direction. Yet, that initial chaos wasn't the end. It gave birth to the first chemical elements, and eventually to galaxies, stars, and planets. It's fascinating to think that from such a random and chaotic beginning came the intricate structures we see today. This is the power of the balance between chaos and order in the universe. One key concept to understand this is entropy. In physics, entropy measures the level of disorder in a system. In simple terms, it's the natural tendency of everything in the universe to become more chaotic over time. But even in this increasing chaos, pockets of order emerge, like solar systems, and even life on Earth. Random cosmic events continue to shape the universe. Supernova explosions scatter elements that form new worlds. Black holes devour stars, but also create conditions for cosmic evolution. Randomness isn't just destruction, it's transformation. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, we are also products of this balance. Every atom in our bodies once belonged to a star. It's incredible to think that the same forces shaping galaxies are at work within us. This cosmic connection reminds us that we're deeply linked to the chaos and order of the universe. This interplay of disorder and structure allowed the universe to evolve. But this dynamic isn't limited to space. Here on Earth, life itself has been shaped by randomness. Here on Earth, life is one of the most fascinating examples of how chaos can create order. Take DNA, the blueprint of life. It is copied billions of times in our cells, but the process isn't always perfect. These imperfections, known as mutations, occur completely at random. Some mutations have no effect, others cause problems. But occasionally, a mutation provides an advantage, helping an organism survive better in its environment. This is how evolution works. Natural selection turns random variations into useful adaptations. Chaos, in this sense, is the engine of biological creativity. Major random events have also shaped the history of life on Earth. About 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid collided with our planet, wiping out the dinosaurs. It was a catastrophic event, but it paved the way for mammals, and eventually, humans, to thrive. Chaos changed the entire course of evolution. This isn't limited to biology. Humanity's progress is also tied to randomness. Think about discoveries like fire, the wheel, or even modern medicine. Many breakthroughs were born from accidents or unexpected outcomes. The unpredictable is as much a part of human culture as it is of nature. Even in our daily lives, randomness plays a role. Small chance moments can shape our futures. A last-minute decision, an unexpected encounter, or even a mistake can open new doors. These small random events remind us that unpredictability is woven into the fabric of existence. As much as we try to control our surroundings, randomness remains a driving force. Without it, life wouldn't evolve, and the events that shaped our world wouldn't have happened. Chaos isn't just a disruption, it's essential to the order we admire. Just as randomness drives evolution, it also sparks creativity in our human endeavors. In the next chapter, we'll explore how chaos inspires art, science, and the decisions we make. Chaos isn't just something we observe in nature or the cosmos. It's deeply tied to human creativity. Many of humanity's most important advancements in science and art were born from the unexpected. Chaos, which often feels like disorder, can be the spark for something extraordinary. In science, chaos plays a surprising role. Take Alexander Fleming's discovery of penicillin. It wasn't a planned experiment. He accidentally noticed a fungus killing bacteria on a petri dish. That unplanned moment revolutionized medicine. History is full of these happy accidents that pushed humanity forward. The same goes for art. Many artists embrace chaos in their creative processes. Jackson Pollock, for instance, dripped paint onto canvases in unpredictable ways. What seemed like disorder became a masterpiece, full of emotion and meaning. Chaos, in art, often reveals patterns that resonate with us on a deeper level. But chaos isn't limited to breakthroughs in science or art. It's part of our daily lives. Think about small, unplanned events. A missed bus leading to a chance encounter, or a mistake at work sparking a new idea. These moments, though random, often lead to unexpected opportunities and growth. Even in the patterns we see around us, chaos plays a role. Fractals, for example, are mathematical shapes born from chaotic processes. They appear in nature, like in the structure of leaves, shells, and even clouds. Though they come from randomness, their beauty is undeniable. Humanity has learned to harness chaos, whether through scientific discovery, artistic expression, or personal decisions. The unexpected challenges us to adapt, innovate, and create. Without chaos, there would be no progress, no surprises, and no masterpieces. So, how do we make sense of this? How do we find meaning in a world shaped by randomness? To answer that, we turn to philosophy. If chaos teaches us anything, it's that the universe has no plan. For some, this can be unsettling. The idea that there's no grand purpose behind existence might feel overwhelming. This is the foundation of nihilism, the belief that the universe is indifferent and life has no intrinsic meaning. But nihilism doesn't have to be bleak. Friedrich Nietzsche saw chaos as an opportunity. He believed that if the universe doesn't give us a purpose, we are free to create one for ourselves. This freedom can be empowering. It means we aren't bound by preordained rules. We can shape our lives as we see fit. Existentialism also explores this relationship between chaos and freedom. Jean-Paul Sartre argued that in a world without guarantees, meaning comes from the choices we make. Chaos isn't our enemy. It's the space where we can build our identity and purpose. In practice, this means embracing life's unpredictability. Chaos challenges us to be resilient, to adapt, and often to find beauty in the unexpected. It's in those moments of disorder that the greatest transformations happen. Living in a chaotic world is a paradox. We crave order for security, but chaos drives growth and change. Accepting this tension can help us navigate life's challenges more effectively. Ultimately, randomness reminds us that there are no easy answers. But that's precisely what gives us the power to create. Somewhere between chaos and order, we can discover the essence of what it means to be alive. Chaos and order are like two sides of the same coin, constantly interacting and shaping everything around us. From the explosive beginnings of the universe with the Big Bang to the smallest decisions we make in our daily lives, randomness is a fundamental force. It doesn't just disrupt. It creates, transforms, and brings meaning. We've learned that chaos isn't simply disorder. It's the foundation for life's evolution, the engine of creativity, and an essential part of existence itself. Without it, there would be no genetic mutations, no groundbreaking discoveries, and no awe-inspiring works of art. It's in the unexpected that life finds its greatest opportunities. At the same time, we seek order to make sense of the world. Patterns and structures give us comfort in the face of uncertainty. Yet the universe offers no guarantees. It's a stage where chaos and order dance together, and we must learn to navigate that balance. Perhaps the biggest lesson is this: chaos challenges us, but it also liberates us. It gives us the chance to create meaning, adapt to change, and find beauty in places we never expected. The universe may be indifferent, but that gives us the freedom to fill the void with our own choices and actions. So, how will you embrace this balance? The next time life throws the unexpected your way, remember, chaos isn't the end. It's the beginning of something new. Thank you for watching. If this video made you think, leave a comment below and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. Let's keep exploring the incredible balance between chaos and order together.